Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about cost versus price. You may say, hey, they're exactly the same thing, but actually they're not. The price is what you are quoted when you call in to have your vehicle fixed. In other words, if you're calling around and the only thing you know to ask is, how much is the price to put a, say, timing belt on your vehicle? Well, unfortunately, sometimes folks will quote things at some repair facilities, such as just the timing belt without the other items that may be needed, such as a water pump or tensioner, etc. And this happens with all kinds of different repairs, whether it be brakes, you get your vehicle diagnosed and it needs an electronic repair or emissions repair. No matter what it is, it could be any type of repair. When you start calling around and you're just asking about cost, you're going to get all over the chart because everything may not be quoted. One of the things we do at the West Automotive Group is try to include everything that you would need in a repair when you're calling about the cost or price. Now the cost is what happens if the vehicle's not fixed right the first time, or you need a rental car, or you need to have the vehicle towed back in, or the quality of repairs aren't that great. So make sure that you're getting quoted properly when you're looking for repairs on your vehicle. I'm Brian Bowersock from the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.